In this video, we're going to show you how to deposit funds into your student organization account. This is a two-step process that includes both the online reconciliation form and the actual deposit envelope that you can find in the Campus Life Financial Office outside the TCU Treasury Office or at the Office for Campus Life. It's important to note that funds should never be left in anyone's mailbox or drop-off bin. They should be handed directly to a staff member in the OCL, CLFO, or one of the treasurers in the Treasury Office. So your first step will be to head to jumbolife.tufts.edu/finance tools. And as a reminder, only TCU-approved signatories will have access to the JumboLife finance tools. You'll also be required to log in to access the forms. So as long as you are an approved signatory and you log in using your Tufts single sign-on, you'll see all of the JumboLife finance tools. With all of our forms, the beginning starts with your organization, corresponding event information, and contact information for the student, description of the purpose for your deposit, and then if your deposit has budgeted or unbudgeted income. Budgeted income is income that is shown in your approved TCU budget, so ticket sales for a particular event or membership dues would be considered budgeted income if they're listed in your budget. Unbudgeted income would be additional fundraisers and things that maybe you didn't originally plan on doing that brought you some extra income. You'll select whether or not your deposit contains cash or checks or both, and if the funds collected are meant for a charitable donation. Depending on what you select, you'll be asked to enter in an itemized list. So if all of your members submitted $20 cash for your dues, you would enter in 20 individual lines identifying who those individuals were, and you select dues, personal contribution, or a donation. You do the same thing for checks, itemizing out each of the different sources of your checks. It's important to note that you'll want to enter the name of the individual that the payment is for, particularly if it's for dues or some form of personal contribution. You want to put in the name of the individual, but we know that most students don't actually have checks, and it's likely that they're using a check from a parent or family member. In that case, you'll want to enter in the name of the individual student plus the check number on the check so that we are able to identify which check goes with which individual source. You'll then sign and submit for approval. As a reminder, if you're looking to transfer funds between student organization IDs or different university departments and you're having money coming into your account, those individuals sending you the money should fill out the treasury form. If you have money coming into your account from another DEPT ID, such as a student organization or university department, you do not have to fill out any additional forms. The people sending the money will fill out that transfer form and you'll automatically receive the funds. There's no action that you need to take on your end.